Hello. I just sort of wanted to share something that I was working on. I mean, I've been working on a lot of things, but I just started to play Shadow of Mordor. I mean, I just finished it actually. I didn't know that game was so much fun. So now I got Shadow of War, and I can't wait to try that out. And then League of Legends is all of a sudden fun again. Too many distractions, but yeah, I managed to model this, and Blender just looks really nice. Yeah, the connector for this is just so insane. Does it make any sense? No. But does it look cool? Yes. At least it does for me, so I'm happy with that. But that's not another cool thing about this particular design is that we can change its length. Woo! We can make it super long. Of course, we'll still need to adjust the taper afterwards. Or let's make it super short. Boop. That is adorable. Let's get rid of this thing. Yeah, because it just doesn't apply anymore. Actually, no, yeah. Let's give it a new decal. Project how to use this. I'm new to this. Oops, no, help. Help! There we go. Hey, we did it. Dude, just look at these things. They're so cute. Oh, this could be like a snake. So just because it's meant to be one thing, I mean, it's Kitbash at the end, so you can use it however you want. Once it's ready, of course. I haven't finished my Kitbash pack, but there's going to be lots of designs. They won't all work like this, however, because always trying to model something that can be arrayed perfectly kind of limits you, actually. And for example, I think some of you might have seen this one before. This one doesn't have any modifiers like that, but that gives you the freedom to add as much detail as you want in the center, for example, and not having to worry about arrays. So again, lots of different designs, but I just kind of wanted to share this one with you guys because it looks awesome.